How to fix Spotify application not responding on Spotify. Today, guys, I have the solution how to fix this. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. So first, you have to go and open settings of your phone. Then you will go directly to apps or application, and here you will find all the application that you have on your phone, and you will search just for Spotify. And when you found Spotify, guys, just open it like this, what I am doing right now. Wait. And then after this, guys, what you should do, just go to storage option, and on storage option go to the last button, clear data, then click OK and go back. And now you have to go and click on force stop and click OK. And now what you should do, the last thing, is go into Play Store and update your Spotify again. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.